Patric Beauty, and this is my great friend GLYNNIS, and we're gonna make some fabulous makeup, do some lashes, do some beautiful liner, and gorgeous lips. Excited, GLYNNIS?
I'm excited. Let's go.
Okay. How are you feeling, GLYNNIS?
I feel amazing.
How you really feeling?
I'm just loving Miami right now. This weather's awesome.
It's sweltering. So I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi. It's an amazing foundation. First I put on with a brush, and then a damp sponge. That way the foundation marries to the skin. If you just wipe it on, it's going to be different than the skin. We want it to be one complete part. After the foundation, I use my concealer palette and I highlight down through the T. So right underneath the eye, the chin, and the forehead. The idea is to make an oval. Like, that's classic beauty, is a perfect oval. Right from ear to lip. Ooh.
Okay.
Careful to use the same color again. Ear to corner of the mouth. That's how you always know that you're hitting the same spot. Oh, you have the contour, we've got the cut. Now we want the lovin', the blush. So I'm using NARS Orgasm. Always a goodie. We're continuing with the theme. The theme. So I'm creating that V. Okay. So now that we have the shadowing down, I'm gonna pop it a little bit with the pencil. And what I love to do is, you don't go in straight in or you're gonna get a crumbly pencil. It's not gonna be pretty and it's gonna jump. So what I do is I go lengthwise and I feather it. And that also like kind of blends in with the smoky eye. It just kind of like, it all makes a little bit of magic. And then always at the end of the eye, you want to lift it a little.
We got our contour.
And now we're going to go for a little bit of lashes. So what I love is the Ardell Duo. It's the dark tone. If you use the dark tone, then you don't have to go over with liquid liner over where the clear melts. They're sleeping. So what I do is I cut a little bit from the inside on each lash. Feel good, Glenn?
Getting a great arm workout.
Open. Okay, so that little piece that I cut off on the inside is the bonus. So, we put it right on the end. Open.
A little extra on. Nice.
You're gorgeous.
Oh, thanks to this one.
Okay. So that little, again, that little piece that we cut off on the inside that was just going to get in the way of the lash fitting, now it just makes those ends fluffier.
That's how you can do a whole lash. You cut the
I cut
like 3.
right, just
Okay.
a little bit, and then I save it, and I pop it right on the end. And look, you're all eye. It's
Yay!
fabulous.
I love it. It's all balanced out now.
The hair and the lash and the gorgeous face.
Love it. Hey.
That's beautiful. Really beautiful.
Ooh, look at my lashes.